You know, I've known Mark Golding since I'm 16 years old, when we used to go Sunsplash and all them things. And from then, I recognized a quality in Mark that's so totally aligned with my family. And that is that he recognizes and values the equalness in people. And he does it with a genuine respect and a genuine love for people. And he's a great listener. And this is who he is at the core, and that's why I think he will make a great party leader and a great prime minister for our Jamaica. Because, you know, Mark brings to the table what we need now in Jamaica. He brings that love and genuine respect. And then fast forward into business, you know, we had Mark Golding as our lawyer when we were at JMB, when he was a director of DB&G. And this didn't stop us from choosing him, because we know that we could trust his integrity. We knew we could trust him, that whatever we were doing at the table, that would not be translated into a conversation with the DB&G or cause us any problems in our business. And we also chose him. The reason why we still went out to choose him, although he was a member of the competitor, was because of his astuteness and his ability to come up with solutions and creative solutions for whatever deal or problem that we were trying to work through as a team. And, you know, we really appreciated that about him. So Mark brings to the table that genuine love for people, that astuteness, that high level of integrity, all of what we need, I think, in a comrade leader and in a prime minister of our country. So today I'm saying to you, on November 7th, comrades, come out and vote for Comrade Mark Golding as the next comrade leader for the People's National Party and the next prime minister for Jamaica.